How to delete search suggestions on Shopee. Now there are three ways on doing this method. First method is via coordinating with the Shopee support. So first is just simply access your Shopee account and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you logged in, go to the Me tab at the lower right corner of your screen, scroll all the way down till you find Chat with Shopee. Now from here, all you have to do is just simply type in I wanted to remove my search suggestion. And from there, you'll just have to comply all the necessary information and you'll just have to follow through the automated chat program right here. Now, the other thing that you can do is just to go ahead and clear cache from the application itself. To clear cache, just go to your user settings or the gear icon left side of your cart, press on that, and scroll all the way down from the bottom and go to about. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache and just tap on yes. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to delete search suggestions on Shopee.